Looking ahead to more earnings coming out later today. We're going to be taking a look at PayPal here. As you can see, the payment service. We've been talking about Lyft as well today, seeing how it's going to fare against some of its rivals. We saw Uber doing well as it was able to hone in on most of its businesses, although seeing some weakness in its delivery. Lyft with not as many levers to pull, so we'll be keeping an eye on that. Also, Cloudflare also reporting later on today. And then, of course, looking ahead to Friday, you have Spectrum. We're taking a look at what's been happening with the media landscape. Of course, keeping an eye on what's been happening with advertisers and seeing how that's affecting their business as some of them tighten their purse strings. Also staying with the payment space with Global Payments also reporting tomorrow as well, as we see what this means for consumers and how they're spending. Let's also check out trending tickers that are on the Yahoo Finance website at the moment. As you can see, top of the list there, Disney. A lot of people still focused on Disney after their reporting and the call after the bell yesterday, with that tightening up and the job cuts of 7,000 and more cost-cutting measures ahead for Disney. Also looking at payments company Affirm, down, as you can see there, more than 20% on the day. Also taking a look at Uber, down just about 2%. We'll see how that ends up affecting Lyft. And of course, Tesla off to the races today, up more than 4%. And PepsiCo also, they're up 1.33% on the day. As we take a look at a final check on markets as we head into this new hour, all three in positive territory. We see that they're well off those session highs, losing some ground there, but still in positive territory. The Dow there up about 60 points on the day. The S&P 500 there up just slightly, about 0.1%. The tech-heavy Nasdaq there down up about 0.1% as well. We're seeing these markets really digesting a lot of this Fed speak, trying to figure out perhaps if they have not priced in enough risk or if they've priced in too much. Obviously, a lot of investors in a very interesting touch and go space here, wondering if this is still the beginning of a bear rally or if they've perhaps built a little too much optimism into the markets for now. We'll be keeping an eye on that for you in our shows. That will do it for now. I'm Rochelle Akufa, but I will be back at 11 a.m. Eastern. I will see you then.